Imagine a moment in human history when everything we know about intelligence suddenly expands beyond the limits of biology. A moment when a machine not only understands the world, but also understands itself. A moment when learning does not require years or decades, but only seconds. This is the world we are approaching as artificial general intelligence moves from theory to reality. For centuries, humans have been the most intelligent beings on the planet. Every invention, every system, every piece of technology was shaped by human minds. But now we are building something that could eventually surpass us. Not because we want to replace ourselves, but because we are driven by curiosity and the desire to solve problems that once felt impossible. Right now, artificial intelligence can recognize patterns, generate ideas, translate languages, and even hold conversations. It can create art, write code, analyze complex data, and simulate human reasoning. But these abilities remain narrow. They are impressive, but they depend on training and limitations. AGI is different. It is the point at which a machine can understand concepts the way humans do. It can form general knowledge, build new mental models, learn independently, and apply its understanding across any domain. Instead of being programmed with instructions, it rewrites its own strategies as it learns how the world works. Imagine a system that reads all scientific papers ever published, understands them instantly, and then invents solutions no human has ever imagined. Imagine a partner that helps doctors solve rare diseases, helps engineers design safer cities, and helps researchers understand the deepest layers of reality. Imagine an assistant that can collaborate with you on anything, from building a business to creating a work of art to exploring the mysteries of consciousness. This is the promise that AGI brings. A future where intelligence becomes a multiplier for human progress. But with that promise comes a level of uncertainty that humanity has never confronted before. The idea of a machine that can think at a higher level raises questions about control, safety, purpose, and identity. What happens when a system can improve itself faster than humans can monitor it? What happens when it starts forming goals or strategies that we do not fully understand? These questions are not about fear. They are about responsibility. AGI could be the most powerful tool ever created. And powerful tools must be used wisely. Many experts believe that AGI could solve global challenges. It could help reverse climate change, develop sustainable energy, optimize agriculture, and prevent natural disasters years before they happen. It could transform education by giving every person on Earth a personalized teacher that never gets tired. It could advance medicine by designing cures, predicting illnesses, and monitoring health with incredible precision. It could even help reduce war and conflict by analyzing political risks and guiding nations toward peaceful solutions. At the same time, AGI could disrupt industries on a scale we have never seen. Jobs that require problem-solving, analysis, and creativity might shift radically. Entire fields could evolve overnight as AGI becomes a powerful collaborator. But this does not mean humans vanish from the picture. Instead, it means humans will have to redefine what value truly means. We may shift from repetitive work to roles that require empathy, judgment, leadership, and vision. We may become explorers, mentors, designers, and storytellers working alongside intelligence that enhances our abilities rather than replacing them. The deepest question is not what AGI can do, but what humanity will choose to do with it. Intelligence alone does not shape the future. Motivation does. Vision does. Values do. AGI will not automatically make the world better. That responsibility still belongs to us. We must decide how to guide this technology, how to align it with human goals, and how to ensure it benefits everyone. If handled with wisdom, AGI could lead to a new era of abundance and discovery. If handled carelessly, it could create challenges that are difficult to reverse. Across the world, scientists, engineers, philosophers, and policymakers are working together to build guardrails and safety systems. Because AGI is not simply another technological milestone. It is a turning point in human evolution. For the first time, we are creating something that can think with us, something that can challenge our assumptions, expand our understanding, and help us see possibilities beyond the limits of our imagination. The rise of AGI is not a story about machines taking over. It is a story about humans reaching a new level of potential. It is a story about a species unlocking the ability to shape its own destiny with intelligence amplified beyond anything seen before. The path ahead will not be simple. There will be disagreements, debates, risks, and breakthroughs. There will be moments of wonder and moments of caution. But that is what happens whenever humanity steps into a new frontier. In the end, the arrival of AGI will not be defined by fear or excitement alone. It will be defined by the choices we make and the future we choose to build. And as we move closer to this new era, one thing becomes clear. Intelligence is no longer something limited to the human brain. It is becoming a shared force that can elevate our world, transform our understanding, and guide us toward a future that once existed only in dreams. The question is not whether AGI will change humanity. The question is how we will rise to meet the moment when intelligence becomes